Hey all, welcome back to HackIson's Nmap series. In this video, we will be discussing about the target lab setup. In our previous videos, we have discussed about the introduction and installation phase of Nmap. So if you haven't watched those videos, I'll drop the link in the description box. Just go and watch it out and come back to this video for a better understanding. And if you're a beginner, if you're a complete beginner, do watch. Definitely, you have to definitely watch those videos and then come back to this. Then only you will be able to understand these things. Okay. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get immediate updates and support my work and share it with your friends. So let's begin. So actually, I'll give a short introduction about this Metasploitable. It's a Metasploitable is a intentionally made vulnerable VM virtual machine. So it's a VM, it's a virtual machine which was intentionally vulnerable to many vulnerabilities. So by default, it contains many vulnerabilities for practicing. So you can practice. We'll discuss about those vulnerabilities separately in a separate playlist about those vulnerabilities. But as of now, we'll discuss about these things. Okay. The testing will use Metasploitable for our testing because if I use a remote target system, then it would take more time for getting the results. So it won't be that much convenient. So that's why we are setting up this lab in our local environment. So the result we will get result even more faster. So that's why there are two ways to download Metasploitable. One is an unofficial way and another one is an official way. This Rapid7 link is an official way, and the SourceForge is the unofficial way of downloading Metasploitable. So if you wish to download Metasploitable from the official source, you have to give your details or you have to fill all these things and you have to submit it to get the download link. And if you haven't wish to do that, you can download it from this particular source. SourceForge, and you can get it here. Just you need to click on download button and it will give you the file. That's it, guys. We'll start setup. Actually, I'm having the setup file with me. It's a zip file, so you have to extract it and then you have to work on it. So just let me show you how to extract it. Actually, I'm having it my D drive. So here it is, and right click extract files. I'll extract it to my desktop. Just okay, and it would take some minutes to do that, to extract. It's gonna take less than a minute. So actually that's it. So we have downloaded Metasploitable and we have extracted it. Now we are ready for the setup. Actually, most of the users would prefer go using. Some of the users might use VMware. Some of the users might use VirtualBox. So if you can use anything else, I'm going to demonstrate the ways for both the platforms. So don't worry about that. First, we'll set up for VMware because Metasploitable file is suitable for VM, and we have to make a little bit changes while for installing it in for using the file in for VBox. So we have to make a small slight change. So we'll discuss about that next. After doing this, we'll discuss about that. First, we'll open up. You have to click on open virtual machine. So you have to open up VMware and click on open virtual machine. Go to the place where you have extracted it and just click on the file. So you should see a file same as like that. That's it. We have successfully imported it. You could see everything as we have. It's a pre-compiled one, so directly you can power it on. Just to click on, I have copied it. So let it run aside. In the meantime, we'll set things for VBox, VirtualBox. Here it is. So open up your VirtualBox and click on New. Metasploitable. You can give any name you want. Just choose Linux, other Linux 62. Next, next. Here, this is the important configuration that I have told you. So you usually will be creating a virtual hard disk now. You will click on, we will use this option, but for now you have to use this option. So actually there is Metasploitable has a pre-compiled virtual hard disk file, so we have to import it directly. So click on add documents, Metasploitable to and here you can choose the metasploitable file. So if you are a VM user and if you want to use the same VM metasploitable VMDK file, you can't use like that because it might be busy in working with VMware, so you can't set up with the same file. Now you have to extract it separately in a separate place. So that's why previously you would have watched, I have extracted it onto my desktop, and next I have opened VMDK from a document folder because I have a separate copy there also. So that's why I've opened the VMDK file from there. So if you wish to use for both the platforms, you can't use it from a same folder. So you have to have two copy, and one for VBox and one for VMware. Okay, just select once you have added the hard disk file, so which is VMDK. It's a VMware format file. So once you have added that, choose that, click on that and click on choose. So you could see here it has changed to metasploitable. Now click on create and you could see everything has set it up. And once you have opened it, once you have double tapped on it, you'll get a screen with like this. You could see metasploit is starting up. So let it start. We'll come back to the VMware configuration. We'll set it up. So that's it. VMware, just you have to use password and username as MSF admin. Hit enter. That's it, guys. We have successfully installed Metasploitable in our VMware. This is how you need to install it. It's a very simple process. Just you have to open up the the file with your Metasploit, VMware. So that's it. Let me close this one. Let me power off this one, and we will come back to VirtualBox. So the same procedure you have to follow for this to mess up admin. That's it. We have got it. So make sure if you are using NAT, you can use it, or if you use bridge network, you can. It's up to you. But make sure your Kali Linux and Metasploitable are in both in the same network. So which means if you are using bridged network for your Kali Linux, you have to use Metasploitable too. You have to keep Metasploitable in the same network. So you have to choose the network option as bridged one. And if you are using NAT, then you have to keep both of your Kali Linux and Metasploitable in the same NAT configuration. So that's it, guys. Hope you have understood. And if you feel little bit confused with this procedure, to contact me. I'll help you. Definitely, I'll help you. And if you face any issues, come up with a screenshot. I'll help you to resolve that issue too. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and your thumbs up will encourage me to make more videos. And don't forget to share this video with your this playlist with your friends and colleagues.